Hello, it's Brandon Bakes, and today we're going to be baking chocolate eclairs. So what you're going to need is a cup of flour, 2 boxes of normal box of pudding, but I just have a big box, so I'm going to use 1 big box, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 eggs in separate dishes, a cup of water, 3 cups of milk, a 9x13 pan, and a saucepan, and a whole stick of butter, and 2 packages of cream cheese, and a tube of whipped cream. Alright, now you add your 1 cup of water into a pan that is at 3/4 heat. You add your entire stick of butter, and then you add your salt, and once all this has came to a boil, then you add a cup of flour. Alright, it has been brought to a boil now. Let me just keep on stirring this. And now you add your flour until it is basically just a ball. Let me get this all in. And you gotta stir quickly because you don't want anything to burn to the bottom. Alright, I have stirred it till it's smooth. Let me just show you what it looks like. That's what mine looks like. Just get it kind of close to ball form now. And then you let it cool for 5 minutes. Alright, now you're beating your eggs one at a time. So you want to have them separate. You dump 1 egg in and you mix. And you do that for every egg, just one at a time. And you gotta make sure it's good and in there before you mix in the next egg. That's starting to look pretty good by itself as the mixture. Alright, throw the next egg in there. Break it. And then mix again. It's starting to turn kind of yellow because of all the egg in there and the egg yolk. And if you're wondering what this tastes like, it tastes like the Puff Puff pancake if you bake that with me. So yeah, that is what this will taste like. Maybe a little bit different, but that's the idea of it. It's starting to get a little thick now, so when you get to the 3rd egg, know it's going to be kind of thick. Alright, let's add the 3rd egg in. That one's in. Just stack these up. Break the yolk. And stir. I'm just going to cut to when I have all the eggs in. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. Let me just give you an idea of the texture. It's kind of sticky, but more firm than anything. So let me just scrape it all back together. Sorry. Dogs can be kind of loud sometimes. Alright. And then you put it into your 9x13 pan. Alright. I'm just finishing spreading this. Let me just get the corners. It's kind of hard to show you what it looks like just because I can't tilt it much, but this is what it looks like. Looks pretty nice. And your oven at 400 degrees, you put this in for 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes. Alright, now you take your 8 ounces of cream cheese Alright, put that in there, throw it away, and then I'm just going to do this because I think it will make it a little bit easier. Put my pudding in my milk, and then pour it into here. That's in there, and yep, there's a little bit of pudding left in there. Pour that in there. Throw it out, and then get your electrical hand mixer and beat it all up until it is like a nice cream. Alright, now it is done. Forgot to turn the timer off. Alright, it is done now. Let's take it out, see how it looks. Well, we gotta put it on a cooling rack first. This is what it looks like. It's just starting to turn a little bit of brown. Turn your oven off and let it cool for 30 minutes. Alright, now that this is done cooling, you get your pudding mixture. Again, forgot to turn the timer off. We get the pudding mixture, you put some of it on there, and you spread it until it is a layer. And once you have all of it on there and it's all spreaded, you refrigerate it for 20 minutes. So let me just get all of it on here. I'm sorry, my dog was. Sorry about the scene before. The dog started barking at stuff, but I got it all on there. That's what it looks like. Can't really tell the difference from the top right now because of the camera, but you gotta go let it refrigerate for 20 minutes. Alright, so now this is out of the fridge and done cooling. So now you get your Cool Whip. Put some on there, and you just gotta spread it all over until there's another layer of Cool Whip. Well, not another layer, but another layer of stuff. Alright, spreading. This is starting to look really good. And once you get all your Cool Whip on, then it is ready to taste test. And I recommend putting chocolate syrup on it when you eat it, so you can actually have chocolate. If you don't, it's just an éclair. So putting the rest of this on, and I'm just gonna cut to when I'm done putting it on. Alright, so I got all the Cool Whip on there now, and now it is time to taste test it. So let me cut out a piece. Okay, let me cut out this corner. Alright, I think I have the corner cut out. It's kind of hard to tell though. Yep. Put it on. Set this down. Let me just wipe my fingers off. And then open your chocolate sauce up. Drizzle some on. And let's taste test it now. Push this up. Try to get a piece off. It's kind of firm. Not firm, but hard to break up. And so when you eat it, I recommend using a knife. Alright, let's try it now. It tastes like the puff puff pancake. It's really good. Yeah, like I don't have much to say about it. It tastes a lot like the puff puff pancake. So if you made that with me, you will like this. But thank you guys for watching. Oh, and special note, I'm recording this on Monday, and we have reached 50 subscribers. So thank you for 50 subscribers. But bye.